What's up, you guys? My name is Carolyn. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you this red smoky look that I have going right here. My hair is not done, but the reason why this is like a look is because I have to actually go to a red carpet event. The Oscars are being screened tonight and we're gonna see how it goes. But basically that's why I have this look on right now. It's a red carpet look. We're gonna hope it's good enough. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. I had a night last night. So like waking up to this face and just feeling sad and eyebrowless made my day. Okay, so first thing I want to do is prime my face, even though I don't think that primer really does anything, but I'm going to use the Glossier Priming Moisturizer. This is actually a new thing that I do because I watched a MAC tutorial and they put like strobe cream on the people, so that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna use, it's not strobe cream, it's just like L'Oreal True Match Unique Lotion. So I just like put it on the back of my hand and then just like, I kind of put it on where my highlight is supposed to be. Then I take Maybelline Baby Skin. This is like a dupe of Professionals. I don't really remember what it's called, but that's, you know, y'all know what I'm talking about. I just take little dots. Just put them on the side of my nose because I have craters there. So then I take number 7 Stay Perfect Foundation. And I also take number 7 Airbrush Away foundation, and they're both in Warm Ivory. This one is darker than this one, and like mixing them together just like is good for my skin tone. Also, I have tried like fancy foundations, but I don't know, like this one, Too Faced Born This Way, just seemed to like crease into my skin a lot, and it just was not a good look. So I just take a little pump of the Stay Perfect foundation on my hand, and then I just kind of drop this in and just mix it together. And then I just take it on this brush and I just put it on my face using the end of it. Guys, there was a... Guys, as if there's people watching. There was a guy driving to this morning, and he pulled out in front of me. You'll probably hear about this in like a different story time. He pulled out in front of me when I was very close to him. So like, he shouldn't have pulled out in front of me. There was nobody behind me. So I was close to him, and then he got mad at me for being close to him, and I was like, you pulled out in front of me, like what do you want me to just like reverse? Like what do you want me to do? There was a green light and he would not move. He kept like inching forward, and I couldn't go around him because it was a one lane thing. And I was just like, y'all are so petty, you need to learn how to drive. It just drove me insane. So then I take Real Techniques sponge. This is not a beauty blender, but I like it better than beauty blenders. And I just kind of tap that all into my skin. Then I go in with concealer. I use Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light Sand. Personally, I think this is a little light for my skin tone, but then again, I don't really care. This is where I put my concealer. Same beauty blender. Tap it in. So I just go under my eye, and then with what else is left on the sponge, I just bring it up my cheekbone a little, because this is I just kind of use it as like contouring. I also put it on my eyelids because I use it as primer for my eyeshadow, because I don't like spending money on my primer. What do I do next? Eyebrows. Eyebrows are important for me. I use Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade. I use the color Sable, and what I do is I'll just dip my brush into here, and then I'll just wipe it like on the cap and take whatever is on the cap. I also didn't tell you what brush this is. This is just a Sonia... What is her name? They're at Target. It's a brow brush. She looks a little patchy. She looks a little rough. We're gonna fix her later. Always later. They're not twins, they're not sisters, but we're gonna roll with it. I'm taking this fluffy eyebrow brush. We're gonna go into this Maybelline The Nudes palette. I got this at CVS so long ago. I use this color. And I just tap it in, and then I just fill in the little patches in my brows, because since my brows don't have hair in them, the product doesn't have anything to like stick on, so I have to like fix it. So to kind of carve out my eyebrows, make them kind of a decent shape, I'm gonna use this brush. It's like a concealer brush. And I just take some of the foundation that I put on my face from my hand, and I just use it. I used to use Shape Tape, but it was just like too white. So I just kind of put it a line here, 'cause I'm weird. I just found that if you like put it lower and then blend the product up and into it, it just looks a little better. Then I just take the Beauty Blender and I just blend it out. I use this side. And I just blend the foundation back into my skin. I'm gonna set my face using CoverGirl Professional Loose Powder. This is not Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder, but we roll with what we have. It's also kind of tinted, so I feel like my face doesn't really match my body right now. So this kind of helps. Oh, yeah, I take this other Beauty Blender that I never use. I just tap it into the powder. Just go like this. Only for under my eyes, though. And I don't really let it sit there. I take this brush that I got from Target. It's just like a powder brush. It came in a kit. I just dip that in. I just swirl it on my cheeks. I don't know if you can see like the color difference in the two. It's little, but it's there. So now I'm gonna take this Lancome Dual Finish powder. It looks like this. It's like a very neutral brown, which I like. It's not like too warm or cold. And then I take this e.l.f. brush, like $5. It's fluffy. Just kind of dip it in and just go around the edges of my face. Okay, now I'm gonna do eyes. This is important. I'm gonna use the Jaclyn Hill palette. This is like my favorite palette. Ugh, she's grand. I take this e.l.f. brush. It's fluffy. It's kind of like circular, flat. It's a blending brush. Oh. I'm gonna dip into this color right here. I'm gonna use this as a transition. Excuse my nails, by the way. They're kind of in a rough patch. So I just take this color and I start on the outer corner, blend it out there, and then swoop it towards the middle. Just swoop it. I'm gonna go into this yellow color right here. Same brush. And we're kind of just gonna go over the same area that we just put the transition color. I'm gonna, I don't know what I'm doing. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm gonna take this color, and I think I'm gonna mix it.
Oh my god. I think.
No, I'm just gonna take it. And we're gonna put it same place. I am a beauty guru. This is a mess. Sometimes when I feel like I mess up, I take this fluffy brush. It's from e.l.f. Cheap. I'm all about cheap. And I just kind of go like this to blend everything. This is my blending brush. What is my life? Taking this brush, it's e.l.f. of course. Taking this one, it's fluffy. I'm gonna go in with this color, and I'm gonna kind of mix it with this one, which is the one that I just went in with. Do I want to do that though? Oh god. I'm gonna take this, mix it with this, and hope it looks okay. I'm also not saying the names of them because I'm kind of in a rush and I don't have time to look. So I'm just gonna take that color and put it like on the outside of my lid, kind of blend it over, and then inside, like pack it on the inside, outside, connect them over the, yeah. Carolyn, do you think you should have practiced? Yeah. We're gonna pray this works, because this is not exactly easy to blend out. We are taking this brush. We're gonna take some gel eyeliner. This is L'Oreal Infallible gel liner. We're gonna take a tad and just put it on. So this is what we have.
So hard.
Do you like it? I'm actually following a tutorial by a girl named Jordan. I will link her in the description if you want to go look at like an actual tutorial of this look. Cause I just pull on this. It's what you're not supposed to do, and I just kind of blend it. So I just kind of blend that all over. It looks great. You're doing great, sweetie. I'm taking this brush, e.l.f., of course. It's small, I don't know what to call it. I'm gonna take the two same colors, and I'm just gonna pack it over the black. Did I close the right eye? I'm just gonna pack it over the black. So there's kind of a harsh line here. Blending it out. I just don't understand how beauty gurus do like one eye completely at a different time. Now I'm gonna take this brush. It used to be like a circle brush, but then I accidentally squished it with my chair. So I don't know what it's called. I'm gonna go in with this color, like all under here, and then I'm gonna go in with a little bit this color and then that color. No, that color. So I just take that first color and I go all under here. I don't really go near here because that's a little scary. Now I'm gonna take this color and I'm gonna put it a little bit closer to the lash line, but I'm still like gonna blend it all over what I just did. And yes, I do pull underneath my eye. Can you stop talking? Now I kind of want it to be a little more smoky, so I'm gonna go into this color right here, and I'm literally just like gonna tap the tip of this in and go right into my lash line. So this is the eyeshadow look done. We're gonna line the lashes with some of that gel liner that I used earlier so it like blends with the fake lashes. For the eyeliner thing, I'm gonna take this and the brush that came with it because it came in like a little thing. I'm just gonna dip into this and like wipe it off the side so it's not like a clump. And then I'm just gonna go into my lashes basically. Before I finish the eyes, I'm just gonna finish contouring my face. I'm gonna, yeah. To contour, I take this fan brush because one time I saw Nikki tutorials use this, so now I use this. I use this old ass palette that I got at Marshall's. I don't know. Ooh, that's a lot of contour. It's okay, it's okay. Just blend it. And then I bring it up on my forehead to shorten that. Sometimes I do my jawline, sometimes I don't, but today's an event, so I feel like I have to. I'm gonna take this highlight palette that I got at Sephora. It's literally Sephora brand. It looks like this. Same beauty blender that I was using earlier. I take this part, this side right here. I'm just gonna dip into this color and this color. Just mix those and just plop them on. So before you put lashes on, you should curl them. I see a lot of people putting like curling mascara then lashes. I think that's really hard to do, so I just curl them, lashes, then I mascara it to like blend it together. For lashes, I use Ardell Wispies. I'm actually missing one, so please don't yell at me, but this is what they look like. I take Duo Lash Glue in just the white one. So my camera died, so if there's a slight shift in the angle or something, that's why. And I just grab it with tweezers like this, and I just pop it on. Now my lashes are on. I'm gonna take Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and we're just gonna blend the lash together and then put it on the bottom. I'm gonna take some Mario Badescu Rose Water and just kind of spray it on my face, just to kind of get some hydration back because. Now I'm just gonna take the L'Oreal setting spray. It's infallible. It's called Infallible. I'm gonna spray it all over. So this is the final makeup look. I haven't done my hair because I'm gonna be doing another tutorial on that in a different video. Who knows when that's gonna be up. But yeah, this is like the kind of smoky red look that I was going for. My skin looks mediocre. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, please subscribe. I will be doing more videos kind of like this. My channel's like all over the place at the moment because I have one video. I will link my social media in the description. Also, please like this video. It will help me a lot. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Welcome to my channel.
Oh god, so sorry. I didn't think it through.